So I'm making some flat panels to build a Dutch toolbox, and also would like to use or be able to joint wood for other projects in the future, but I don't own a jointer. My workshop's very small. I'm not really just started out, but I just don't have the space and haven't bought one. What I do have is a pretty good router table where the two fences can be adjusted independently. I can't adjust mine with a wheel like some very expensive router tables, but I can take off the fence and add some washers in its place to displace the fence. So really all you need to do is to be able to adjust one fence, whether you use some tape, make the fences in line, and then remove the tape from one side. Basically you want the in-feed fence to be slightly back from the router bit compared to the outfeed fence, where the outfeed fence you want in line with your straight cutting router bit. So here's how I did mine. Hopefully this helps you out if you don't own a joiner but you do own a router table. Again, there's several ways to do it, and with mine it was as simple as throwing a couple washers. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoy.